are missing a tire. So the spindle is broken. Alright, we got something happening here.
We got the off-road trailer. Broke a spindle last time we took it out.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put beefier axles under it, I think.
I like beef. You guys are wondering what the bottom of the off-road trailer looks like. There she be.
Like that.
Like this.
You know, it's like,
Ooh. Ah! Where'd he go? He gone. Alright.
go down, Mike.
Okay.
Perfect.
There we go. Alright, so we cut the spindle part off of the tubes, and now Sean is making some flat spots there to have it set in to the square tube.
Don't look at the front light.
Oh,
You guys will get blind.
oh, don't worry,
There you
we
go.
got sunglasses for that.
Yeah.
There you go.
See?
So what's our technique for getting it nice and straight?
Eyeballed it.
Okay.
Here, just so we can have this on video here. So I mostly kind of eyeballed this and used a couple crude tools to make sure they're at least even between the two of them, not necessarily even with anything else, but even between the two of them. And then checked it out. We eyeballed it. We definitely eyeballed it. That we did. So
Yeah, look at the size difference.
definitely stepping up on bearing size and everything.
Katang.
This is held up for, I want to say right around 4 to 5 years, but we have done nothing but been nice to this thing. So I'm going to call this a win. I'm going to be fine with it because I'm fine with it. Look, we got tires over here, which these tires aren't great. One may have been separating and they're kind of starting to dry rot, but they're really good tires for how old they are. So why not put them on the trailer and get some use out of them?
Yeah.
Here we are. These are not the tires we'll be using. We'll be using different ones. But we learned some things, and mostly I forgot to measure the difference in the hubs. The difference between the backing plate and the wheel mounting surface of these, so now our tires stick out farther than they used to. We did put backing plates on here. I don't want anybody to get all worried and think we're going to hook brakes up, but we have the option to someday. Someday.
Not Sunday.
Not Sunday. Someday.
And these are not the tires we're using.
Yeah, these are not the tires. These are the tires we're using. So there we are. Look, we got something accomplished in a day.
The whole day.
Getting the trailer out of the shop today, so I'm technically channeling my inner Casey Liddell with this rigging setup. Now the cool thing is, I'm going to take it outside and flip it with just the winches.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, I did a horrible job of that. Casey, don't take any offense, because yeah, you'd have done that a lot smoother than I did. I struggled the heck out of that. Anyway, it's flipped over. Could have, should have done a lot easier. Whatever, had some fun playing with it. Alrighty, now we're heading up on Porcupine Rim. Porcupine Rim is a trail that's up above Hell's Revenge and Bends and things. We're gonna go up there, cut around the switchback, the tight switchback, drop down in there. We got a Can-Am Defender up there with a broken steering rack. So I've got the off-road trailer behind me. I am back in old Trailmater, and we're gonna do a little what we used to do. Just me and the camera, run up and get a rig and bring it down. So anyway, follow along, here we go. Okay, so there's the entrance. Well, right up here's the entrance to Bends and things. So yeah, Bends and things runs over that way. There's the trail right down there. We're gonna go down this way and cut back, and we'll be right around that corner there. The first trip out with the trailer after all the upgrades, so seems to be working pretty well. Haven't found an issue yet with having 35s instead of 37s, but I'm sure once we get a rig on it, we'll know for sure. Okay, so we're gonna try and get this on this to get out of here. Anyway. Steering rack is broken, I guess. Yeah. Just straight up from the Baroque period. So, we get this rigged up. Get out of here. That's what I'm driving into. Can barely see anything. And dragging this giant thing on this trailer. This is just horrible. These things, I can't understand it. I don't know why, and I'm not even trying to. That went fairly smooth. Everything's looking good. Okay, we got a little bit more zigzag over around here, but we're almost back to sand flats, so get back to a good road, get moving, get this thing unloaded before it's completely dark. Here's hoping anyway. So there it is. We're back to the road. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the hubs. And we're going to get this down to them. So, man, look at that. A beautiful sunset over there. I know the camera doesn't quite do it justice, but trust me, it's really pretty. There we are. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you.
I like beef.
Beef?
That's what's for dinner.
Where's the beef?